James Samuel shot and helper stabbed in home invasion. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Justice of the Peace and former Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association President James Samuels, along with a woman reported to be his helper, are nursing injuries inflicted on them during an armed invasion at Samuel's house in Jacksonville, St. Andrew on Thursday night. Samuels, who is in his 70s, was shot once by the invaders who stormed the house between 8:30 and 9 p.m. The woman was stabbed multiple times by the masked hoodlums. A very close relative of the woman who visited them in hospital stated to reporters that Samuel was recovering well. However, the woman was reportedly in and out of consciousness. According to a relative, Samuel told them that he and the woman were having a conversation inside the house when the attack took place. According to a report, the female heard someone calling and went to investigate. But when she arrived to that location, the men were already halfway in the house, so Mr. Samuel went and locked himself inside a room. He was being asked to come out, however he refused, and that's when the men fired shots through the door, hitting him. Mr. Samuels is said to be a respectable man and one of the founding residents of Jacks Hill. The police are ruling this as a robbery. It is further reported that the masked intruders took Mr. Samuels' van and jewelry that were inside the house. Mr. Samuels is described as a good justice of the peace and never hesitate to sign young people's documents or papers. He always have good advice for individuals. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.